Welcome back to Leeds Lifestyle. Today I'll be showing you how to make ribeye steak on the stovetop. Welcome. So if it's your very first time to watch my video, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and to turn on the notification so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. You're welcome. So the ingredients are simple and nice. I'll need steak, of course. This is about 1.53 pounds of steak. I'll need the favorite spicy that I use for the steak. This is the one I use to season the steak. It's Grill Mates Spicy Montreal steak. And then I'll need olive oil. So I'll turn on the heat to medium. So I want to season the steak. So I'll just generously use the spices on the steak and then rub it in like so. Then I turn it on the other side and do the same thing. So I make sure it's evenly distributed and rubbed in the steak. Meanwhile, the pan is heating up like so. So I'll use just a little olive oil on the pan just to avoid it from sticking on the pan. So once the pan is heated, I'll just place the steak on top like so. And I'm gonna cook it for about 8 minutes on both sides. I need medium to medium well. So once it starts to cook like that, I'll reduce the heat to medium well. So it's gonna cook with low heat. So after about 8 minutes, I'll turn it to the other side. Like so. So while the steak cooks for another 8 minutes, I'm gonna make chimichurri to go with it. So what I need is parsley. I need parsley leaves. I need garlic. This one I've pounded it. I need oregano. I need balsamic vinegar. And I need olive oil. So I'm gonna chop this into small pieces. The parsley, I'll chop it up like so. So I place it in the bowl like this. Then I'm gonna add the garlic. And I'll add some balsamic vinegar to this. Then some oregano. And lastly, I'm gonna add olive oil. So there's no standard measurement for this. I'm just eyeballing. gonna blend this with the NutriBullet. Just a little bit. So I'll check on the steak and see if it's done. I need it at medium. Just a little bit left. So this is the chimichurri. I'm gonna add some salt, like so. Then mix it up like so. So I blended it just a little bit, not so much. So the steak is done. I'll turn off the heat. And I'll show you how I'm gonna serve it. So the juices from you can use these juices and put it in the meat if you want. But today I'm not gonna do that. So this is the steak. It's medium done. It's at medium. Because you can see some little, I don't know if you can see, when I open it you can see a little pink inside. So I'm gonna serve it with chimichurri, just a little on the top like so. And that's it for today. This is the final product. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, bye and God bless you.